Hello, everybody. This particular session is related to the revision for assessment 1, which will take place in 5th of July. Yes, so we are going to revise chapter number 1, 2, 3, and a poem, Hungry Hen. For this, it's really important to concentrate on the screen and try to understand what I'm going to explain you. For better revision, it's really important to write down these exercises in your English notebook. So you can write one heading revision 1, or you can use any rough notebook for writing these exercises.
Very first we will revise the use of can and cannot. So as you know that can is used for showing the ability. Okay. So very first sentence is here. Jean is from France. So he can teach us French, but he cannot teach us Tamil. Because Jean belongs from France, so he can teach us French. Yes, because French is the language of France. Second sentence. Ali's cook can make delicious tandoori dishes, but he cannot fly an aeroplane. Because a cook cannot fly an aeroplane. Third sentence. Ravi can play the piano well. His mother's fingers have become stiff. She cannot play the piano. And fourth one, Meera can run fast, but she cannot draw. So it shows also that she is able to run fast, but she cannot draw properly. While choosing correct option between can and cannot, children be careful. Whenever the ability is showing this, the person can do this one, so it means it may be possibility that he cannot do the second task properly. Yes, so be careful about it, and while choosing your can and cannot in your sentences. Now just move for the next exercise. Next exercise will be put the sentences at correct order. Yes, and then rewrite it. So here some sentences are there, you have to put in a correct order. So very first sentence maybe we found a rope and bucket near the well, and second sentence maybe Rajni put some biscuits in the bucket, and third one, then we lowered the bucket into the well. For doing such type of exercise, it's very important to know the storyline properly and put the sentences in correct order. So very first in the story, they found a rope and bucket near the well, and then Rajni put some biscuits in the bucket, and then what happened? They lowered that bucket into the well. And finally, the fourth sentence maybe the puppy went for the biscuit, and finally they pulled the puppy up. So in this way, this exercise is very easily cover up with the proper sentences in the order. Now we'll do the next exercise for the practice. For this practice now, you should write down this exercise 2 or 3 times in your revision notebook. So you are very much aware of the sentences order. Yes. Next exercise is related to let's enrich our word store. So here some words are there. They are having the same sound. Yes, it means the pronunciation is the same, but their meaning and spellings are differs. At the top of the page, you have some words like to, there, I, red. These words you have to put in the blanks. Yes. Children, do you have noticed that these words are having similar pronunciation, but the spelling and meanings are differs? Yes. So we have to put the words according to the sentences. So here we have one exercise which belongs to your textbook. Yes. There are many children playing in the park. Their schools are closed for 3 weeks. So here THEIR is used for these children. Yes. So be careful about the spellings of these two there. Yes. Next one, third one. Veena, I threw ice cream in Miss Z's eyes. Yes. So I is here pronoun, and eyes, EYES, it is a noun. Yes. Or plural number. Eyes. Now fourth one is the children took 2 bottles of jam to the dining room. So here TWO, 2 is a number. Yes. And here again jam to the room, it means TO, it is a preposition. Yes. So be careful about the spellings about these 2 words. Last one is here. Last week John gave my red storybook to Mary. She read it on Sunday and returned it to him on Monday. So here you can have a confusion why ma'am is reading R-E-A-D, read word as read, because here R-E-A-D is used as past tense. Yes, as you can see at the top of the page, it is written there, R-E-A-D, read, and past tense. So verb read, when we make it in the past tense, we can read the same word as red. Yes, so first word is R-E-D, red, which is a color, and here the next word is red, which is a verb. Yes, so be careful about when you are writing your spellings. Now we will move forward for the next exercise. This exercise belongs to join and make phrases. So here a piece of meat, a slice of bread, a bowl of soup, and last one is a jug of milk. So be careful about where you have to put piece, slice, bowl and jug. Yes, so be careful about, don't write like a slice of meat or a slice of milk. You can't make it slice. Yes, so be careful about it. Now we will move forward the next exercise for revision practice. Here we have one exercise which again belongs to put the story in the correct order and rewrite it. Yes, so first one is already done. Mr. X and Miss Z went to a robber bank. So second sentence we have to find. So second sentence, what is it? Second sentence is here, Captain Smart saw the two burglars. Burglars, you can say criminals. Yes. The third sentence will be what? The third sentence will be, she spilled oil near the gate and then fired a pistol in the air. Yes, according to the story, you can go one by one. Then fourth sentence maybe is, then Mr. X and Miss Z ran out of the bank, but they slipped on the oil. Yes, and when they slipped, then what happened? Then Varun and Veena threw ice cream at Mr. X and Miss Z. And then what happened? Sniffer came and Sniffer caught hold of Mr. X's leg, and at the last the police came and took them away. Yes, in this way you can put these sentences in a correct order and then rewrite the story in the given space. Yes, so children, keep practicing this exercise while writing in your revision notebook. Yes, now we will move forward for the next exercise. So just note down these questions and then after try to write answers. If you have learnt well, then it's very good, and if you didn't learn, so try to learn first and then after try to write the answers in your revision notebook. So just note down first chapter's questions. So here in the chapter number 1, question number 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6, you have to practice while writing the answers with correct spellings. Yes, now I'm going to move forward for chapter number 2. In chapter number 2, there's ice cream in my eyes. You have to do some questions like question number 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7. So try to write down these questions answers. Yes, now we will move forward chapter number 3, bitter medicine. So here you have to do only 3 question answers. Okay, very first we will do these 3 and then after in the next video I will give you another question answers. So here you can mark question number 1, 3 and 8. Question number 8 is there in your notebook. Yes, why did Pinocchio decide to take the medicine? Okay, so you have to prepare these 3 questions from your chapter number 3. Now we will move forward chapter number 4. This chapter 8 and 11. So you have to write down hungry hen. Of these questions in your revision notebook. Next slide has the revision of the poem The Hungry Hen. So here we have some question answers. In the meals Shyam Sundari has what? Okay, some questions are related to this statement. What is hard to believe? It is hard to believe that a hen can eat more than 10 big men. Okay, question number B is there. What can be believed? We can believe that she has mosquitoes for dinner. Yes. Then question number 2. Imagine what Shyam Sundari has for breakfast. So the answer is Shamsundari probably has grains for breakfast. And third one, what do you find funny in this poem? So the answer is the fact that the hen can eat so much is really funny. Yes. And the last question is there. What are the rhyming words for the following words? So here some words are there. You have to find out the rhyming words in the same poem. Yes. So the words are hen, men, tree, we have tea, and for light we have night in the poem. So in this way we have finished somehow the revision session.
Now children, it's time to note down your homework. What is your homework? To learn glossary and question answers of chapter number 1, 2, 3 and Hungry Hen. Yes? Learning also covers writing of the question answers and glossary, okay? So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, keep learning, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.